Like nearly every other professional today, automotive technicians need to be comfortable with computer-based equipment. Today's cars are more computerized than ever. Yet an experienced and skilled technician can listen to an engine or an exhaust system and know instantly what repairs are needed. Major car makers and their dealers sponsor 2-year associate degree programs at more than 100 community colleges across the country. High schools and trade schools have programs as well. Certainly, the better educated you are, the better the opportunities for employment. But you'll learn most of what you need to know on the job, working under an experienced mechanic. This is a job for men and women who don't mind getting their hands dirty and who truly love working on cars. Experienced technicians can work anywhere in the country, and if you have an interest in business ownership, you could end up owning your own highly profitable garage or gas station. The key thing to remember is this: customers don't keep coming back to a technician because of the degrees and program certificates displayed on the wall. They return because the technician is really good. If you're good and if you love the work, a job as an automotive technician can be a truly wonderful experience.